What's the meaning of bike? Bike. Bike.
Bike. Bike. A bike is a two-wheeled vehicle that is powered by a person pedaling with their feet. Bikes are a popular means of transportation for short distances, exercise, and recreation. They are also a low-cost and environmentally friendly option for commuting. Bikes come in many different styles, including road bikes, mountain bikes, and hybrid bikes. They can be made from a variety of materials, including aluminum, carbon fiber, and steel. Bikes have been around for centuries and have played an important role in transportation and leisure activities throughout history. Today, biking is a popular sport and pastime enjoyed by people all over the world.